Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I have another collaboration for you guys. This one is with my gorgeous, amazing, fun Texas friend, Letitia. I am so excited. I'll put her name here so you guys can go ahead and follow her. She is so sweet and she's so inspiring, and like she says this little thing in all her her good morning post where it's like, you're amazing, you're beautiful, you're wonderful, you're this, you're that, you're worth it. And I'm just like, yes, I am. I love her so much. She's so inspirational. She's so sweet. We met once, but we've been friends on Instagram and YouTube for a long time, like way back when YouTube started becoming like crazy big. Now it's just oversaturated with a bunch of people, but it's fine because we were the OGs. I am doing this collaboration to bring to you guys women that you will love and that are really something special and that will have some sort of impact in your life, whether it's teaching you new things, just teaching you to be happy and positive, or just motivating you, or just somebody like that's visually appealing. So I hope you guys enjoy. We both use the ILUVSARAHI Dose of Colors palette. This is very easy. I literally use maybe 3 colors at most. So everything in here is just self-explanatory. You guys will see the video. It's very easy to recreate. So I hope you guys enjoy that. If you'd like to see how I get this look, please do continue watching. Enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and coming back. If you guys are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Follow me on my Instagram pages at Reesiibabe and ReesMUA, and make sure you follow my friend here on YouTube and on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in another one. See ya.